Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your photographs from your DSLR to your smartphone without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So there is a little, to be honest, a little simple, very hack that you can do. You know your SD card at the bottom, so your SD card slot, pull it out, okay? And I'm going to take this out, and what I've done is I've got an adapter, okay? So if you can see that, there's an adapter on this one. And essentially I have got a micro SD. Okay, so if your Wi-Fi isn't working, it might be worth trying this out. Get yourself a micro SD, put it into an adapter, take all your photographs with this. Okay, take all your photographs with this, and then take this card out, take the adapter out, put it into your smartphone, and then hopefully your pictures should be on your smartphone. So I've taken a few pictures with this. I'm going to put this back in my smartphone to see if that's worked, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, I've just put my SIM card back in my smartphone. Obviously, you need a phone that's got a SIM card, and it's worked. So here's my pictures. So I've taken a picture of this camera. I've taken another one. I've taken these cars, and I've taken this dinosaur. So clearly, you can use a micro SD. So just take your SD card out, micro SD, put it in an adapter, put it into your DSLR camera, take away, and then put your SD card back into your smartphone, and then you can view all your pictures via your smartphone without the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi connectivity. I find the Wi-Fi connectivity a little bit of a hassle. My last video I was sort of playing around with it quite a lot, to tell you the truth. This is quicker, you know, so just take it out, put it into your smartphone, and it should show up on your screen, and then you can do whatever you want to do with those pictures via your smartphone. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond. Thank you very much. Oh, is that in focus? Thank you. Bye.